Hey guys, how are you all? This is the equation and we will find the value of x. Okay, let's start. First, we will focus only on under root 2. Okay, so under root 2 we can write like this into 1. Okay, now 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. Okay, so under root 2 into 2 upon 2 we can write like this. Okay, is equal to, we can write 2 into under root 2 upon 2. Okay, now let's put this value in place of under root 2. Okay, like this, x raised to x raised to x is equal to 1 upon 2 whole raised to 2 into under root 2 upon 2. Okay, now if we have a raised to b into c, then we can write like this, a raised to b whole raised to c. And by using this rule on this side, we can write is equal to 1 upon 2 whole raised to 2 whole raised to under root 2 upon 2. Okay, now if we have a upon b whole raised to c, then we can write like this, a raised to c upon b raised to c. And by using this rule, we can write 1 square upon 2 square whole raised to under root 2 upon 2. Okay, now we have 1 upon 4 whole raised to under root 2 upon 2. Now let's focus only on under root 2 upon 2. Okay, so here we have under root 2 upon 2. Okay, now 2 is equal to, we can write like this, under root 2 into under root 2. So under root 2 upon under root 2 into under root 2. This 2 will be cancelled. Now we have 1 upon under root 2. Okay, now we all know that there is 1 in exponent in every value. Okay, so we can write like this, is equal to 1 upon under root 2 whole raised to 1. Now 4 upon 4 is equal to 1. Okay, so we can write 1 upon under root 2 whole raised to 4 upon 4. Okay, now we can write like this, 1 upon under root 2 whole raised to 4 into 1 upon 4. Okay, now we all know if we have a raised to b into c, then we can write like this, a raised to b whole raised to c. Okay, and by using this rule, we can write 1 upon under root 2 whole raised to 4 whole raised to 1 upon 4. Okay, now if we have a upon b whole raised to c, then we can write like this, a raised to c upon b raised to c. And by using this rule, we can write 1 raised to 4 upon under root 2 raised to 4 whole raised to 1 upon 4. Okay, now our next step is equal to 1 upon, now under root 2 is equal to, we can write like this, 2 raised to 1 upon 2 whole raised to 4 whole raised to 1 upon 4. Okay, now 1 upon 2 raised to 1 upon 2 into 4 whole raised to 1 upon 4. Now 2 2s are 4, so we can write like this, 1 upon 2 square whole raised to 1 upon 4. Now we have 1 upon 4 whole raised to 1 upon 4. Okay, now remember that we have focused only on the under root 2 upon 2. Okay, so we have got under root 2 upon 2 is equal to, okay, so let's put this value back in the equation like this. Our equation x raised to x is equal to 1 upon 4 whole raised to 1 upon 4 whole raised to 1 upon 4. Now what we have here is base and exponents are same at all level. So we can certainly equate each level and we can write like this: x is equal to 1 upon 4, and that is the answer. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.